What's going on, guys? Today we have a 2020 Aston Martin, all black, brand new, beautiful, beautiful car. And peep inside. Now the thing that's trippy about this car to me is most cars are, which I don't want to offend Aston Martin because I don't know if this is suede or Alcantara, but most cars are fully leather with Alcantara trim. This one is fully Alcantara with leather trim. It's like the opposite. Real cool. Let's sit inside of this Aston Martin. Huh? Yeah, I cannot see myself driving one of these. Get the gear selector thingy. Cold start. Pretty nice cold start. Pretty sure this thing could get nasty. But this is not what I was going to show you guys. What it is. On to the next. And right here we have a classic 2006 Lamborghini Gallardo. You know, I remember I had one of these on Midnight Club Los Angeles. But yeah, this one's like real cool. I'm just so mad that yeah, doesn't have Lambo doors. I think that's just a hardtop model maybe, but look at this blue and yellow. It's just so nice. Blue and yellow. Gallardo. And it's convertible. Now. Oh, these things are so hard to get in. It's weird because it's like, this is Alcantara and this is leather. Feels like I'm sitting inside of a notebook or something. Alright, let's see. We have our Lamborghini key. Now, where did it go? Alright. Turning the shoulders off. However you do that. Got it. Alright. Brake, clutch, and power of the Lambo. Now you know how a Lambo sounds. Next, we have what I've been searching for so long. The freaking Maybach SUV. Let's get into it. First off, pop that trunk. Booyah! Look at that. Nice trunk space. You could tell it has the refrigerator. Yes, the fridge. Alright, gonna close that. This thing is just beautiful. I love this car. And one of the coolest features that I've seen so far on this big beastie bad boy. It's just so beautiful. I mean, look at it. I mean, yes, it looks just like a regular, you know, Mercedes until you see that. Now, I'll show you what is the coolest thing to me. Look down here. Look at that. And as you look inside, look at the beautiful doors. You got reclining seats. You know, I don't know if this thing has TVs, but it does have panoramic sunroof. Look at this, beautiful. It is kind of dark in here, so you might not be able to see all the details. But yeah, that boy is nice. And we go to the front. And yes, they're closed off doors. I love it. There goes the front. Now this one, of course, because it's a Maybach, look at the pedals. It doesn't have the keys in it, but it's alright. Kind of mad I don't get to start it up, but I'm pretty sure I know what it sounds like. So yeah, now I've seen the inside of both the Maybach SUV and the sedan. And that's it for today, guys. Till next time.